Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Mozzarella sticks. I can't think of a more popular finger food for both kids and adults alike. String cheese then coated with crispy seasoned breadcrumbs and fried until hot and golden. Serve them with marinara sauce and you have yourself an appetizer everyone will love, especially in Ramadan. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So things we need for this recipe will be, first, very important ingredient, string cheese. So I got these string cheese from a regular grocery store, open up the package, and then I cut each stick widthwise into half. So that's gonna be the perfect size which we regularly get at the restaurants. So cut each stick widthwise, and as I always suggest, ask your kids to help in this process. They would love to open up the packages for you. Then I have some all-purpose flour, regular maida, and then I have some eggs, and I added a quarter cup of milk in there. Just whisk the milk with the eggs and keep this mixture on the side. Again, my helper was there in the kitchen, so she will do the rest for me. Then I have some fresh breadcrumbs and some garlic powder. I'll be adding garlic powder in the breadcrumbs. Then I have these dried Italian herbs. You can use only parsley as well. Mix everything with the breadcrumbs and keep this on the side. If you have halal Parmesan cheese available, go ahead and add in there. I couldn't find that. Then I have this cookie sheet which is lined with some parchment paper. So these are all the ingredients. Let's go and make it happen. So I start by grabbing a few of the mozzarella sticks and then put it in the flour. Make sure your mozzarella sticks are nicely covered and coated, then pat them dry, and then they goes in the egg wash. And then it goes in the breadcrumbs. So now here's your mozzarella sticks, but it's not ready yet. It doesn't have enough breading yet. We want a crispy and nice coating from outside, and for that I just put it back again in the egg wash, and it goes back again into the breadcrumbs. This is really going to ensure that you have nice and crispy breading. Then transfer it onto a cookie sheet which is lined with parchment paper, and you can do this step ahead of time if you're doing it for a party. Now repeat the same process with the rest of your sticks. We cannot fry them right now. It's gonna be a cheesy mess in the oil. The breading will come out. So just keep them in the freezer for at least an hour. Overnight would be great. When your mozzarella sticks are nice, cold and hardened, just heat your oil on 350 degrees and add your mozzarella sticks. I don't want to overcrowd my fryers, so I have just added 4. When you add a lot, the heat will drop down, and we actually want enough space for each and every angle to fry it up. You want to fry these when they are nice and golden brown, usually 30 seconds, but keep an eye on them. They're gonna burn very quickly. So when they are nice and golden and start floating on top, just take them out and transfer them onto a piece of paper towel to absorb the excess oil. What's better than indulging in gooey, golden-crusted mozzarella sticks and making and enjoying them in the comfort of your own home? Fry up a batch of these deep-fried delight. They are even tastier than those served at restaurants. And don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And please remember me and my family in your prayers. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.